It comes with a Kombi floor tool, combination tool. It comes with the 3 accessory tools, standard with all Sebo vacuums, which is a dusting brush, which sits on the metal wand. You get on the body an upholstery tool, and inside here is a very long crevice tool. Now, bags on the K2 Kombi is a 3-liter HEPA bag. Remember, K is the most compact, lightweight version of Sebo canisters. And they're also the smallest, right? So they take a 3-liter HEPA bag. A really good feature about this vacuum, however, just like any other Sebo canister, it comes with something called an S-class filtration. That's hospital-grade filtration. That means that none of the dust that you're picking off the floor is coming out of the vacuum. All right, so it filters everything in 99.9% down to 0.3 microns. Now that's pretty cool. There are 2 filters as well as the bag system in this vacuum. One filter is the exhaust filter, which is located up on top on the canister here. The pre-motor filter is situated right under the bag. Every 10 or 20 bags, now that's a long time, is when you will start changing these filters. And this is where the pre-motor filter is, and this is where the bag is located. Very easy to install and take out, and really easy to work with. Yeah. Specific to Sebo canisters, and that is what they've done is they've put a very soft textile material all around the vacuum, which is there to protect your baseboards and furniture. This is a canister, it's going to hit things. But this really nice textile, which is actually cushion, really, protects all of your baseboard and furniture. Not only that, this is where the air comes out of the vacuum. Unlike a lot of vacuums that have the exhaust up on top, with the air shooting up, this thing spreads the air all around through the sides of the vacuum. Now you may think to yourself, well, this textile, 10 years down the line, it may be dirty, it may tear. No problem. This is really easy and inexpensive to be replaced by yourself. Doesn't need to go in for service or anything like that. I have to tell you, Sebo is extremely thoughtful when it comes to their designs. Let me show you what I mean. First things first, everything that connects into each other, whether it's the holes to the canister, holes to the wand into the floor head, locks into place. This is not a cheap vacuum where things will just fall off while you vacuum. Now put that in the same category as having rubber wheels, which are non-marking. Means your floors will never get scratched up. Last but not least, this is what I mean by thoughtful. You see this little yellow the plastic part here. You see this is a Kombi tool or a combination floor tool, and the most prone to wear and tear on this whole floor head is this strip. Now what they've done is they've allowed you to use a butter knife, even, that's what I'm using, to open up this little plastic, yellow plastic part. And I promise you, as soon as I open this, it's going to fall on the floor, because every time I do that, that's what happens. Oh no, I caught it. Perfect. But what this allows you to do is remove that plastic part and take that strip out and replace it. These are inexpensive. We carry them. Everybody carries them from Sebo. And then therefore, this little floor head is going to last a very, very long time. There is nothing else on this that would be subject to wear and tear as much as that brush strip. So that is very thoughtful as well. Now this is a canister vacuum cleaner, so the heaviest part sits on the floor. But it is important to know how heavy and how maneuverable it is. As far as heaviness, the K is the most compact Sebo vacuum, and this thing weighs just under 13 pounds. That's okay, that's pretty normal. The other thing I want to point out is the caster system. This thing has 3 casters, which allows this vacuum to move around really nice and easy across multiple floors without getting stuck anywhere. All right, so it is lightweight and it is very easy to move and maneuver. Now the Sebo Airbelt K2 Kombi is available currently in two colors. This beautiful blue you see here, and also in white. Now the Sebo Airbelt K2 Kombi, being a Sebo vacuum, is made completely in Germany, and also comes with a 10-year warranty on non-wearable parts, 5-year warranty on labor. Well, for one thing, if I go out and spend my hard-earned money on a quality product, not only I want to know everything I need to know before I make the purchase, I also want the support of the vendor throughout the life of the machine. And that's where Vacuum Warehouse comes into play. We've been around since 1996. We do offer 30-day money-back guarantees, 90-day price match guarantees. We are the service and the warranty center. We're an authorized, fully authorized Seaboard dealer, so we are the service center for everything that we sell. So throughout the life of the machine, if there's ever parts, accessories, questions, maintenance, service required, we are here and happy to help out.